and this snake will eat them. But right now it's getting some rest, preserving its energy, waiting for nightfall so it can bang, bang, bang some food up. You guys see this right here? Harry, come closer, please. Target acquired. Snake captured. Come on, little guy. This snake is in the middle of shedding. If you look, it has this blue milky eyes. Check it out. Soon it shall shed. Get its new skin. Another boiga. So surprisingly, all the snakes we're finding today look very similar to each other. They all can be classified or identified as one type of snake based on its colors. But I'm sure as we get down further, which we did yesterday, the patterning will change and it still will be the same snake. Cool blue eyes. That is what you call a milky blue. You guys seeing that in there? Milky blue eyes. All snakes' eyes get blue when they're getting ready to shed. It's very normal. Very common. Awesome snake, huh? Very curious. Hasn't bitten or struck once. Obviously, it's a fully wild snake. It's actually missing a little piece of its tail, too. Something tried to nibble on it. You can see there. Something tried to get you, huh, kid? Don't worry, you're safe here.